Hello students, how are you all? I think your vacations are going on very well. Now this is time to study and today we will discuss about the third poem of your book Beehive and the poem name is Rain on the Roof. First of all, we discuss about the introduction of the poem. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of the soft rain on the roof? In my opinion, when it rains, I think of how we used to make paper boats and put them into water. We used to shout happily when it rained. But now, time has changed, studies are growing tough, life is busy, and no time for such activities. Okay, now we start the discussion of the poem. This poem is written by Coates Kinney. In this poem, poet tells us about what was he thinking when it rained. The theme of the poem is the memories that come to the poet's mind while listening the sound of the raindrop falling on the roof. Okay, now we start. When the humid shadows hover means overcast, over all the starry sphere and the melancholy means sadness, gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press out the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. This is the first paragraph of the poem. The poet tells this the star is overcast with clouds and short of twinkling stars. The darkness is sad. The darkness makes the poet sad, and so does the rain. The poet can be happy only if he curls up with the pillow in the bed of a country cottage and hears the sound of the raindrops. Now this is the second stanza. Every tinkle on the shingles. Tingle means light sound and shingle means tiles of the roof. Has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. Busy means busy lifestyle. Fancies means imaginations. And 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof. Woof means jumbled world and recollection means memories. As I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. In this stanza, the poet describes the loudest sound of the raindrops as they fall on the shingles of the roof. Each sound of the rain is repeated by the beating of his heart. His imaginations take form of reality. He feels nostalgic as he hears the soft and constant falling of raindrops on his roof. But his memories are not connected with one another and come to his mind in a jumbled form. And all this happened when he listened the rain upon the roof. Now comes to the third stanza. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone. Agone means ago. To regard the darling dreamers. Darling dreamers, poet and his siblings, to whom the poet recalls while he listened the sound of the rain. Array, she left them till the dawn. Array means before. Dawn means early morning. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain. List means listen. Refrain means sound of the rain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. In this stanza, the first memory is of his mother in his childhood. He remembers how his mother would look down at him and siblings while sleeping and dreaming. What the poet remembers more than anything is how his mother would kneel and watch over him particularly. His memory gets fresh with sound of the constant falling of the raindrop of his roof. Okay, thank you.